For a new home, maybe you are buying for the first time or looking to upsize or downsize. There's a lot that goes into the purchase of a home, and today we have Scott Dobson from Consumers Credit Union to talk about our mortgage options. First, let's talk about Consumers Credit Union because you have been around for a while and you were founded locally.
Yep, we were founded in 1952 by employees of Consumers Energy, which is where we got our name, and now we have 19 offices in West Michigan and are growing quickly.
I know convenience is key. And so let's talk about mortgages because that is the biggest purchase that most of us make.
Sure.
And people may not really realize that getting your mortgage through a credit union is a really nice option. Can you talk about that?
In fact, a lot of people don't even know that credit unions offer mortgages. We have a lot of people that say, oh, credit unions, I can get a checking account and I can get my car loan through them. But we do everything from checking accounts to car loans to business loans. But mortgages especially, it's super easy to apply for a mortgage. Like I said, we have 19 offices. You can stop into any one of our offices. We have mortgage loan officers there. You can go online where you talk to a real person in West Michigan that gets your mortgage loan application. And of course, you can call us too anytime.
So how important is that pre-approval, Scott?
There's a pre-approval and a pre-qualification. You'll hear both of those.
What's the difference between the two?
A pre-qualification is more like you called me and said, I'm going to buy a house, and I talked to you a little bit about where you work and how much you live, and I say, you should be looking for something like this. And you're kind of pre-qualified to go look. Where pre-approved means you've talked to the credit union, we've pulled your credit score, we know what your income is, and we know exactly what you can afford and what you should be looking for. So that when you're out house shopping, if you're pre-approved, you can find your house and you can go make an offer that day instead of saying, oh, I think this is something I'm interested in. Let me go talk to my credit union, then I'll be back. With the housing market like it is today,
as hot as it is,
it could, houses today, if it's priced right, they're selling quickly. If you're in the house market, if you're not ready to make an offer when you find your house, it could be gone. So being pre-approved can make it much easier to go shopping, and when you find your home, to just say, I'm going to make an offer and I'm going to buy it before somebody else does.
So who is eligible for Consumer Zero Down Mortgage?
Anyone that lives in West Michigan can apply. You don't have to be a first-time homeowner. Really, you just have to have income to be able to pay back the loan, and if it's a house that you're going to live in. And
what other benefits are there?
One of the best benefits of our Zero Down Loan Program is, one, you don't have to have a down payment, so cash that you have in your pocket, which is great to have. If you've ever bought a house, I have before. When I moved in, I wanted to repaint the walls and put in new carpet and do new appliances.
And buy furniture, too.
Yes, all that stuff.
For that
and I had just taken all the money I'd saved for 2 years and spent it on my down payment. So being able to keep that money in your pocket. And another important difference between our mortgage and lots of other low or no down payment mortgages is we don't require private mortgage insurance, which is really an insurance premium that you pay on your mortgage payment every single month that you have the loan, and it adds to your mortgage payment, and we just don't have that at Consumers.
Yeah, so you're looking at savings all around, which makes the process a lot easier, especially, you know, sometimes people are buying for their first home, and they say, oh, now I need a lawnmower, or I need some of the basics that you maybe already have if you're going into your third or fourth home.
Right, always nice to have just a little bit of money in case your dishwasher breaks down the day after you move in.
Yeah. What other loans and programs do you have at Consumers Credit Union?
Yeah, like I said earlier, a lot of people are like, oh, credit unions, I understand how they work. I can go get a car loan from them and I can have a checking account with them. But Consumers, we have a full suite of services. Anything that any other financial institution in West Michigan can do, we can do. We do everything from $1 million business loans to $500 credit cards for a first-time applicant.
Yeah, and frankly, we're seeing a lot of people move over to credit unions, and sometimes it's saying, okay, I'm involved with the big bank right now, I'm going to start and have that membership and start doing that and then moving over, because frankly, there are so many fees involved with big banks today. Some of them hidden, some of them not. And I feel like there is a growing frustration with that. And when you are part of a credit union, especially a local one, there are big advantages in saving more money and keeping it more to yourself where you want to use it the most.
Saving more money. We're a not-for-profit. We return all of our profits back to our membership. So we can do mortgages at a lower cost than other places can. But I think our biggest difference is our people. We're real people. We live here in West Michigan. If you call or stop in, you're gonna run into just normal people that understand. Maybe it's your first house, and you don't understand how everything works, and it's very complicated. So we have regular old nice people that will really help you, and then the best technology to back it up. If you want to bank with your phone and apply with your mortgage on your phone, go ahead. If you want to talk to a real person, we're happy to talk to you too.
That's wonderful too. You mentioned it, but we should repeat. You have 19 locations or offices throughout West Michigan too, so that convenience is there also.
Yep.
You can head online and start learning a little bit more and starting the process. We want to thank you, Scott, for coming back.
Thanks for
that
having
dream
me.
of home ownership is so important and something that we hope everyone can achieve.
For sure.
Yep. And we'll be right back with more at West. Don't go away.